Hello little friends! Today we're going to draw a cute little mouse. Are you ready? Let's start! First, let's draw a big round circle for the head and a little curve underneath, just like this. Good job! Now, let's erase the extra line. See? That's the shape of our mouse's head. Let's add a tiny nose at the tip. Let's draw the ears. One on this side and one on that side. Let's draw his body next. A small oval shape below his head. Now, let's give him two little legs. Look at those cute paws. It's time for his arms, one on each side. Good job! Our mouse is coming to life. Now, some hair on top to make him look even cuter. Add his eyes, eyebrows, and a big smile. And don't forget his whiskers. Finally, let's give him a long curly tail. Now it's coloring time. Let's make him colorful. Let's color his pants, his hair, and his eyes. Add a rosy blush to make him look nice. Our mouse friend's ready to jump in delight. Da-da-da-dang! And there you have it! Our mouse friend is all done. Do you know how to spell mouse? M-O-U-S-E